The Sony Xperia 1 Slim would be a sleek reinterpretation of Sony's flagship design, focusing on minimalism, portability, and refined ergonomics. It would retain the cinematic 21:9 OLED display but in a thinner, more lightweight chassis, perhaps around 7mm thick, giving it a more refined in-hand feel without sacrificing screen real estate. The bezels would be razor-thin, emphasizing edge-to-edge content, and the body would likely use a premium matte aluminum frame with a frosted glass back for elegance without the smudges. Internally, it could still pack a punch with a high-end Snapdragon processor and a slightly smaller battery, maybe 4,000 mAh, compensated by power-efficient tuning and OLED optimization. The camera system would stay true to Sony's legacy, likely a triple-lens setup with Zeiss optics, but built flush into the chassis to keep the slim profile. Imagine all that power and visual fidelity, now in a form that slips effortlessly into a pocket or clutch. The Xperia 1 Slim wouldn't just be a smaller version. It would be Sony's statement on how premium design and powerhouse performance can live in a refined, minimalist silhouette.